morning, YouTube. I'm Wally, you're watching Swamp Fox Adventures, and I'm running errands today. And then we're going to the shooting range. Storm's got the surf turned up a little bit. It's all choppy and stuff. Here we are at O'Reilly's Auto Parts. It's the first stop. I'm picking up some compressor oil because Jose and I need some compressor oil ASAP. Got a gallon of compressor oil, and the next stop is the gun shop. My favorite stop. Just hopping off the 22, and it looks like we might have some rain up in the mountains. We're just starting to come into the rainy season, and it's starting to rain up in the mountains more than it is down on the coast. We haven't really got a lot of rain on the coast yet. It's definitely looking like it's gonna storm. Real Babes just called me and said the dogs were freaking out about the weather. Last time Jose and I were on this road, we had to detour because they were repaving it, and now it's looking all super clean and repaved. Good job, city of Arecibo. I'm almost there. I'm almost to the happy place. It's a baby horse. Looked like he was probably a week or less old. Here we are. You can see they got their sponsors. They offer tactical courses. This is really a great range, and it's full spectrum too. They've got a little bit of everything. Looks like I'm the first one. Rebecca just showed up. She's the second person, and I'm gonna grab some guns. How are you? Good. I just got here. Jose should be here in just a minute.
Yeah, it's at the end. You can set up. You can start shooting while I prepare your membership.
Okay.
My hollows.
Yeah.
Don't want to use them.
Yeah, I've never seen that slide color. That is a pretty one. Rebecca's gonna go ahead and shoot. I'm having some issues with the magazines. The slide stop is catching in the mag release hole. Nice. Low on the line. That's pretty good. That first one was right on there. P365. It still has that new gun smell. I think I hear Jose.
Could be.
Haircut. Mr. Haircut.
Yeah, I forgot to tell you about that.
Yeah.
Now it's aerodynamic.
Yeah, it looks good, man. It looks good, dude.
Yeah, it cut off like 5 years.
Okay. Oh, yeah, that's what Laura ordered.
Starlink, baby.
So, I don't even know what it is. I know what it's for.
Internet.
Yeah, but beyond that, I have no clue. The first shot was right in the ring.
That's a Luger?
So the Ruger LCP.
Okay.
She's got the pretty girl gun.
I like it. I thought it was gonna be, you know, moving around my clumsy hands.
Yeah.
It's not, with the grip down here, helps on the pinky.
It's like a little pinky shelf.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Not bad.
That's a good looking area, that road that goes up.
Mm-hmm. Well, someone didn't want to shoot expensive ammo. I saw that. 5.7.
Yeah. Hey, you're dead on with that. And that is P80 frame, dagger, slide, upper. Who makes the comp?
Agency.
Okay.
Agency Arms Comp.
And then beveled magwell.
Macpool Macwell. Enforce light. Has a few things. And obviously the Hollow Sun.
I love the Hollow Sun, man. Absolutely love them. And I really, really like the dagger upper. And what's that? Where are you shooting? Is that a Springfield?
Springfield Hellcat.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay. Nice. Yeah, your groups have gotten a lot tighter with that. Like a lot tighter.
Yeah, remember how I was gripping it kind of iffy and was jamming on me all the time? I was basically doing it in one hand. That's it. You got one up. You got it clear.
It cycles good. Even with those big open mouth Federals, you know? I should have went with the Hornady. So hindsight's 2020.
That's one of my to-go ammunitions for self-defense.
What are you carrying now?
Right now, I can't remember. I know it's a plus B round.
Okay.
But back home, I do have critical duty and critical defense. I have both.
I like the critical defense. So, cool. Y'all getting ready to go kill the lizards?
Yes, sir. That's the plan.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. They're taking off to go do some iguana harvesting. And I'm going to finish a little shooting, and then I'm heading out to meet up with Real Babes. We're packing up, and I think I'm going to go meet Real Babes for some dinner.
Looking for me.
You know, no matter what I'm doing, whether it's out working, dealing with the government, harvesting, or recreating and enjoying myself like I was doing today, shooting, as soon as I hit Highway 681 and get back into Islote, dude, it is just such a nice, good feeling. I absolutely love living here. I can't get over it. Here I am back home for a little bit. I can see Kaza and Neighbor Dog are both out. Hello, Kaza. How are you? Hello, Barky Barkies. Hello, Neighbor Dog. Let me get the gate for y'all. Let's go upstairs and get Real Babes. Milky. Oh, it still has that new gun smell. Real Babes is cranking out all kinds of dishes. And we are going to go to Palermo for some yummy, yummy gnocchi.
Is it gnocchi or gnocchi?
I don't know. Is it? Okay, YouTube. G-N-O-C-H-I. Gnocchi? Gnocchi.
Gnocchi.
Gnocchi?
I don't know. I feel like it's gnocchi, but I don't know.
I don't know. It's like potato pasta. I love this stuff. And I'm going to get a big steak with mine.
Thunder! I know you hear me.
Girl Babes is going to give Thunder some leftover corn as a treat. I can see you right there, dude.
I know. You're not hiding very well. Under the flamboyant tree over there. He's like, you're up there. I'm not.
He's being a jerk.
He is. He won't acknowledge me. I think he's mad at me. He looks like he's mad at me.
He does.
Look at his ears. He's like giving me the side eye right now, and he's hiding under a branch. He's like, I think he likes it a lot.
I don't know. He got all happy.
I know, he did. Like when he starts playing in the water.
Yeah.
Do you like that stuff? You want another one? I got another treat for you.
It's not for you dogs.
Yeah, not for you dogs.
Oh, busted up and rolled under there. He's like, I'm going to go pull on my post.
Yeah.
Yeah, Kaza. You know better. You don't jump up on stuff. Now Thunder's going to hook his teeth onto the post and pull it because that's called cribbing. And that's like his favorite pastime. Okay, there he goes. He's positioning himself. He's got his teeth hooked. There he goes, and he's pulling it. Dork. Real Babes is waiting on me. We are going to a dinner. You are such a good boy. I know. You're waiting all patient like you get to go, but you don't. Yeah, you have to stay here. Hi, sexy.
Hi.
Are you ready for a good dinner?
Yes. Some gnocchi.
That's what I'm getting.
How are you?
We will see you soon.
Don't do that.
There he goes.
Don't do that. Stop.
He knows you don't want him to.
I know he knows. That's why he's doing it. He's like, watch this, watch what I do.
Just came out of his local on 681, and now we're going over the Arecibo River.
Connie's out of his league.
Good number. We're talking about King of the Hill. Good number of people fishing here tonight. But yeah, Real Babes and I were talking about a King of the Hill revival that's supposed to be coming to Hulu. And Real Babes does not feel that Bobby and Con are going to be married because
Con Jr. is out of Bobby's league.
okay, smarter, good work ethic.
Pretty.
Yeah, for a cartoon, I guess.
Yeah, exactly.
This is my first day carrying in Puerto Rico. I'm really happy about that.
Yeah, it's not from here. You're taking back on the cloud.
Yeah.
Like, say less, my friends.
Starting with some meatballs.
Kind of gnocchi that you had, but it's different. I'm excited.
Real Baby's eggplant looks fabulous. Thank you.
That looks good. Thank you. Pesto.
Tell YouTube how that wine's treating you.
I'm a little buzzed.
Strolling out of the restaurant into the green machine, headed home. Real Babes is still toting like a quarter bottle of wine.
Yeah,
Oh, the doggies started barking when we were way down the road.
and they didn't tear the trash up. I'm excited.
Well, it's because they're inside.
Kaza could have gotten out, but she didn't.
As long as neighbor dog's in, she won't. Luna and I are up on the porch. She's looking for iguanas. The little dogs went to hunt iguanas. Mr. Wiggles is with Real Babes going to the vet. She was supposed to fly home to South Carolina tomorrow. I keep saying home, but I guess it's just South Carolina now. And I think she's going to push her flight back so we can fly home together. It's Friday. Don't know what we're gonna do, but now we have a little bit more time. We'll get hopefully a more substantial video out, not just like a vlog thing. I think we're gonna do a little bit of iguana hunting today with some people we met from New Jersey, and they're staying around the corner here. They're a friend of a friend. They watch the channel. So I think we're gonna get up and do some iguana hunting when Real Babes gets back from the vet. It's the weekend. Hope y'all are doing something fun. Love y'all, and we will talk to y'all soon.